okay? Can you calm down and not be this rude and be like, get with the program? Goddamn. Oh my god, this fucking foundation on these white braids. Hi! So it's that time again. Okay, so it has been, I don't know, like 3, maybe 4 weeks that I've had this particular style in my hair. It's the first time I did yarn braids since I shaved my head. The lengths are very varying a lot. I don't know why I keep making that mistake, but yeah. So I'm just gonna go in and start cutting them first, and after I have cut them, I'm going to wash my hair. No, I'm going to cut them, and then I am going to shave my head. Well, I'm gonna touch up my sides, and then I'm going to shampoo my hair, detangle it, prep the yarn for the next style, and then I'm going to install it. It's all very, very straightforward. Broke over it. Nothing too special about it, honestly. I have been kind of obsessed with using yarn instead of braiding hair ever since I did it for the first time. Because A, it is so much cheaper. It is so much cheaper. And then also, it doesn't tangle as much when you're braiding it in, right? Like I think every single person that has ever done protective styles with braiding hair is very much aware of how much the braiding hair can tangle, how easily that goes in the braiding process. And to me, that has been a major factor of annoyance, I guess. And I don't have it as much with yarn. And because it's cheaper, I get to switch it up a lot faster because I like looking good. I like experimenting with my style, but I do not plan to go. The only thing you need to be mindful of when cutting your braids is that you don't cut your own hair. It has happened to me before because I always assume that my hair has grown a lot less in the protective style than it usually has. So it has happened to me before. Okay. Are they all cut? Oh, I got one left. There's always one left. I don't know what that is, but every time I cut my braids, when I'm going to take them out, there's always one left. There's always one left. Oh, I don't think you guys have picked up. I don't know if you guys picked up on this yet, but this was a split color style. I don't know what led me to make this color choice, but I thought it was really cute. Oh my god, this fucking foundation on these white braids. That's usually why I don't tend to go for white. Do I like a shorter, like a bob protective style on me? Do I like that? You know, I don't hate it. I like it a lot more than I thought. But let's get into the grossness of it. This is the amount of like growth we're working with. There has been significant growth, which is always nice, you know? Okay, so now I'm going to touch up the sides of my head, and then I'm going to unravel the braids, wash my hair, condition and everything. And I don't really feel like that adds a lot of value to this video because I have done this in like previous videos. So I'm just gonna do all that, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm like ready to restart my new style, I guess. Okay, so I'm back. It's been a good minute. As you can see, I touched up my shaved sides. And I blow dried my hair, washed it, took braids out, blow dried it. Oh my god, my nose is itchy. I also already prepared the yarn, which is right here. We're going for pink. Again, I know I've done pink before, but it was a toss-up between pink, yellow, and brown, because first I planned on doing half yellow, half pink, but I don't want to do singular braids today. I want to do something quick. I want to do something fast. I want to do, we're going to do feed-in braids. So for every single braid, I will be using, I want to say 10 pieces of yarn, and then we'll just see if that's enough or not. Okay, so I'm going to start off by making a parting. And we're going to be smart with this one because I went a little scissor happy when I shaved my sides the first time. So last time I kind of made a correction here, which is growing out. That's growing out. So what I want to do is I want to braid the feed-in braids like this. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start off with some gel. I ran out of gel, so I'm just using like, it's really bad. I know, but you know, it's better than nothing. I'm just going to start applying that at the front perimeter of my hair. And I'm also going to use some wax. It's going to be interesting. So I want to go up right here and then down, a little bit of a swoop. My hair is so fluffy right now because I blow dried it to like stretch it, that it keeps falling back. The only advice I can give about making partings, parting your hair, whatever you want to call it, is just keep going back and forth. Keep going back in because it's a nightmare, honestly. I'm ready to start my braid. I'm gonna get my starting section. And I split that off into 3, right into 3 semi-even pieces. I'm just gonna start braiding as tight as possible. And then I add in my first piece of yarn. And then after like 3, maybe 4 stitches, I start taking the gel on my fingers every time I stitch with my right hand. So really make sure that once I'm coming towards the end, like where my hair stops and it's just all yarn, it doesn't stick out as much. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the braid and then I'll be back. My hair is pretty much in. I have mad respect for all the beautiful men and women who manage to, you know, braid without anything sticking out. Yeah, I'm like I already stated in previous videos, I'm not a pro. I'm just showing you guys what it is that I do. Now I just keep braiding, and every 3 or 4 stitches, I run my hands down the strands of yarn, and this helps prevent it all getting tangled up. So I'm going to finish braiding this braid, and then I'm gonna come back when it's time. Okay, can you calm down and not be this rude and be like, get with the program? Goddamn. When it's time to close off the braid. Okay, so this is the length I am going for. It is reaching just past my hip, past my waist on my hip. So what I do is the following. I take 2 strands from opposite sides and I tie a knot. And I tighten it. Then I make another knot on top of that. And then I do the same thing again around the braid. I'm explaining it like this, like you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Just make a knot right there. And then I make a knot on top of that, and because I am always very panicky about braids unraveling, I make another knot on top of that, and then I cut the excess off like so. Yeah, and I will be right, it will be back with the final results. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what the final result ended up looking like. I don't know what happened in my chaotic life, but I think it's been in for 2 weeks now. So I just never got around to filming this part, but I'm doing it now, so it's fine. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick 360. I ended up going for 3 braids down the middle and 2 in the front, because I did manage to tuck in this part that was longer that I was like kind of scared of. Yeah, I really like it. I think it's a really cute look, and I will definitely be doing this again. Yeah, so the next time, I don't know what I'm gonna do the next time. It's always kind of just as much a surprise for me as it is for you guys, to be honest. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. If you have further questions or anything like that, just let me know in the comments down below or in any other social medias that I'm on. Social media platforms that I'm on. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next one.